Hello everyone, it's Super Blue Dude 111, and this is a Minecraft related video, but we're not in Minecraft today. If you guys were wondering, because if you've heard about my Bukkit server, if any of you were wondering how to create one, I'm going to show you guys how. And this is for Mac, just to tell you, I provide the terminal stuff in the video, and I think I'll put that in the description too. But let's start off. So, first you want to open up the browser. I have to make it full screen for some reason. And you're going to type bukkit.org. You just get it, click enter. And then what you want to do is click on Bukkit Forums. Okay, so now you should come to this screen. And there's going to be a thing in the upper right hand corner that says recommended build. Now, you should have version 1.1, so you don't really want to get the one that's for 1.8, because it might not work. So I'm just going to get the 1.1. I'm going to download it, just for this tutorial. Okay, so that should take you to this page. And you want to get this thing that says craftbukkit, like a dash 1.0.1-r1.jar. I'm going to click on it. It should send something to your downloads folder. And it's going to just load pretty fast, so just let that load there. So after that's done loading, we'll get into our next step. Okay, so then you just want to click that, and it should bring you here. If not, then you could just get it out of Finder like this. You could go Finder, Downloads. I don't know where that went, actually. Okay. Let's just... whatever. Oh, it's right here. Okay. So we have our craftbukkit.jar. Now, you want to right-click on your screen anywhere on your desktop and click New Folder. I'm just going to type it Bukkit Tutorial Server. Okay. So, yeah, it's my folder. You can put it anywhere. And all you want to do is just drag this into the folder, and then so now it should be in here. And now you want to rename this. So how you rename it is you left click on it and then click again, and then it should bring this, and then you want to get rid all the way up to that so it only says craftbukkit.jar. Okay, and then it should be like that. So then what you want to do is how the server gets running. So you want to open up terminal, which I'll just quit out of this so you can, but you could type in terminal. It'll be right there, but I already have it on my screen, so I'm gonna open it up, and then you should have whatever this thing is. Okay, so then you want to type in CD and leave a space, and then whatever your Bukkit folder was, you want to drag it into terminal and let go, and then it should have this. Then you want to hold down the shift key and press enter at the same time, and then you should get this. And then there's a code that I have here that you could use. I just got the code. Here's the code right here. It should be in the description. So I'm just gonna copy it. And then you just want to paste that code, and then you want to click enter, and then a bunch of these files should start up. It's preparing the spawn area. This is going to be the longest it ever takes because it's the first time the server is getting started up. And if this way doesn't work for you, there's some other way with like some A plus X, but this is the way it works for mine, so I'm just going to minimize. And to show you guys that it works, let's go into Minecraft. And then I might show you how to just get one plugin, but I'll have a different tutorial for that. So here it is, right here. Okay, so we're in. You could tell, make it full screen. So sorry, it's gonna be a little laggy, obviously. But I am not opt, and since I'm around the spawn area, I shouldn't be able to break anything. See, it comes right back. Man, this is really laggy. Yep, see, okay, I can't break anything. if I go a little farther, maybe like now. Yeah, there we go. So I can get something. There it goes. So I don't think I can build either. Okay, that totally messed up. But anyway, yeah, you can see that I'm in the server, and now if you want to op yourself, if you go like this, /op, my username, it's going to say you don't have permission. So the way you do that is if you disconnect, just go out. And if you click on terminal, what you want to do is, if you do a / and go like this, it says unknown command, because I think like this, like terminal is like the /, so you just want to type it in. So if I op myself, it's going to say opping Xms1024M. And I'm going to go back into Minecraft, and now I should be opt. Okay. Oh yeah, I got my little dirt back. Alright, so there it is. For a sec. Alright, so now if I do /help, I only have the regular non-Bukkit commands, but in this video I'll show you how to get like a couple pages of it. But let's just show you that I do have it, so I can do game. I don't know if this will work. It's terrible at typing. Yeah, alright. So I can change my game mode to creative. Oh my god. Okay. So 0 is survival and 1 is creative. So I'm gonna put it on 1. Game mode has been changed, so now I can fly around, basically do whatever. And now I should be able to break stuff by spawn. Yeah, see? There we go. I should be able to break it without being creative. And show them the creative. Here's all my stuff. Here's all the stuff I can use. Okay, well, that's really, that. It's very simple to hook up a Bukkit server. So let's just exit out and let's get, permissions doesn't work on here, so you just want to check out another tutorial for that. But, yeah, so whenever you download a plugin, make sure the server is off. So you can do stuff like save-all, which means it saves everything, just like to make sure, because let's say like you had some power outage while you're doing your stuff and might not save it, so you always want to save like maybe every 10 minutes or something, and then if you want to stop it completely, you type in stop. And then it stops the server. So if I show you, if I try to go back on right now, it might like glitch out. Try to go back on, see, it doesn't work. Okay, so I got my stuff here, and now I should have a bunch of files. After you first loaded it, you get a bunch of files. So I have all these files. But really what we're worrying about right now is the plugins. And I'll also do some of the stuff with server properties. So first let's go back here, and now what you want to click on is get plugins. So a really good one is essentials. I don't even know what to spell. Essentials. Or essentials. Essentials or something. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you saw that. There's going to be different stuff. I'm going to get the core download. Just going to load it pretty fast, just drag it out. Now, if you're not sure about how to get essentials, because you might have screwed up with it, you actually don't put in the whole folder, you put in parts. So I can exit out of this right now, I think. When we go to Finder, Downloads, it should be at the bottom right. That's a little weird, it doesn't do that. Okay, so essentials, 2. So all you want to do, now if you drag in the whole thing for some reason, it doesn't work. But, so you click on your plugins, and it should be completely empty, unless you already put in stuff. So you click on essentials, and the only ones you want to put in for this is essential.jar. That's it. And then you can basically throw out the rest. And then, this is not how you, use all the stuff, you have to open up the server. So if I did this, it wouldn't let me. So now I should have that. Let me start the server and show you that it works, and then we'll go to the server properties. So yeah, do that same way again, pasting in the code and stuff. Alright, so now it should say creating config template for essentials. So if I go into the server, I can show you that it should have my name in red now. I should have typed before that my name was in white. I guess I can show you that now. Okay, so yeah, see, so if I type hi, oh ho, ho ho ho, my name's in red. Now let's say I do diop, that's not gonna work. Diop jabs11, you're no longer op. So if I do ho 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 ho, I'm in white. If I say anything like this, whatever that is, it's in white. So let me on myself back. See, it has there my name in red. Okay. So if I do /help, now I have 12 pages of commands. So let me show you some of them. This is my favorite. Just it is /nuke. It sends a bunch of TNT and destroys everything, but it's fun to do because it generates the world completely back. So I always do that a lot on statues. The first time I did it, my friend got really mad at me because he's like, I put so much work into that. I'm like, can you wait a sec, buddy? And he's like, oh, yeah. But anyway, we can do some other ones like /broadcast hello nobody. Yeah. Okay, this is glitchy. It'll go away, I hope. But anyway, there's a lot of stuff you can do. So if we do help 2, we can go to new page. Like I can set a jail or something if I do /set home set, and I do /home, see if this works. Yep. I can go back to my home. I think if I do it again, I think I can change my home again. If I wanted my home to be right on this like pillar-like thing, whatever that is. Home set. Just something. Oh, I guess I can't. Wait, /home delete. Spending too much time. Whatever. I'm getting off subject. So help 3. You could do a bunch of things like fireball. That's kind of fun. I'm sorry, Piggy. I don't think it kills him. Send a fireball. Yeah. See, I think it hit him. I think it hurt him. Send a random fireball. Okay, help. Oh wow. That really is nice. Yeah, I can heal myself. I can put God on, which means I'll show you what that means. If you don't know, well, it's kind of common sense, but see, I put, and now I can just go game mode jabs 11, and we'll just change it. So let's say I fall off this cliff. You can tell that it hurt. So let me go to home. I'm gonna jump off of here. Second God again, it's disabled, and now I'm gonna get hurt. Yeah. Oh my God. Failing. Those are just some basic stuff. Could do a bunch of other things. See what's on the back. Oh yeah. You could set the weather. You could do world, which will send me into the nether. Oh my God. But yeah. So that's really it, and now let's go into server properties. Now make sure whenever you change something in the server is stopped, because it might work, but it shouldn't. So you could stop it, and then let's go into server properties, right there. So double click. You're gonna get these basic things. It says allow flight. Now I was flying, but it means anybody can fly. I'm gonna keep that on no. Allow the nether. That means obviously can't go into the nether. This thing is just a level name. You could change it, but I prefer it stays on world for things that you might have to do in the future on the server. Enable query. No idea what that means. Server port. Leave it on this unless you have a different port. But I'm just doing it off of my computer, so I have no idea what this means. Honestly, the level seed. You can change the level seed. The server IP, oh yeah, server IP, you want to just sort of leave blank. And if no one can connect to your server, I think this is optional. If no one can connect to your server, I should have said this, there's this thing called port map. Because, like, if you can't get into your server, well, you can, but if other people can't, it might be because you might have something wrong. Type of port map. And then you get to this page and saying download the application. And then I'll show you how to set that up now, actually. Out of the one that I have. I don't think you need it, but you might. All you do is you click on this little plus sign that you'll get. 25565, that's a Minecraft port. Type in Minecraft on the description. Add mapping. That's adding a thing here. It has it. I can get rid of that. I only need this one. But yeah, if you only want like your friends or maybe someone you know well on your server, you could put a whitelist on. You could stop spawning animals so there won't be any more animals spawning. Online mode, I'm guessing that means other people can go on it. PvP, I'm gonna leave on true. I like killing other people. Not in real life. If you set your game mode to 1, that means whenever someone joins, they'll be on creative. You can change the max amount of players. I can change it to, I think, 1,000 if I really wanted to. I think the most is 200. You can spawn monsters to stop spawning monsters. Just keep this on 10, or maybe you can make like 12 something. I'm guessing this is the thing for the server. And then if you have any changes, you want to do Control S, and that's that. Yeah, all this other stuff you don't really need to worry about. This permissions.yml, I have no idea how to set that up. Oh yeah, with essentials, right. When you get a plugin, if it's a big plugin, you'll usually get a folder with it. And this has all this stuff, like warps. I can set a warp. There's so many things you could do with this. That's why I loaded it, but I might show that in a different video of how to use essentials. But yeah, there's all these things that you can change and stuff, which I'm not really gonna worry about right now. But just go back into the server one more time. That's the wrong server. So yeah, when you have too many servers, you screw up. Drag that server in. It can work with 2 servers at the same time. I tried it. Oh yeah, I'm already in Minecraft. I'm really spazzing out right now. Okay, my server. Bam, here we are. And now it says I can do /help. I can do whatever I want. You can ban people, like I can ban myself and stuff. But yeah, that's really it for today. So thanks for watching this video. I'm StupidBlueDude111. Thanks for watching how to set up a Minecraft Bukkit server. I'll have more videos for plugins and stuff and how to use them. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.